Hello everyone, this is Karen Gale. I'm your technology teacher and I'm coming to you today to talk with you about the cloud. Now, if I asked you to define what is the cloud, what would you say? It's all right, I can wait a minute. So sometimes we do have a hard time describing exactly what the cloud is. We use it in conversation all the time. Businesses are constantly talking about being cloud-based or accessing the cloud, or your information is safe in the cloud. But what exactly does that mean? So we're talking about this today so you'll understand what people mean when they talk about the cloud and actually how that intersects with your life on a daily basis, as well as where the future of cloud computing is going. So what is the cloud? So the cloud is a group of computers that are usually called servers that are all connected together, kind of like a giant brain. Now these servers are accessed remotely, meaning you don't have to be sitting in the same room with a wire running from your device to the computer. Usually we access them remotely via the internet, whether that's plugged into the internet or on Wi-Fi, or through your cell phone. So anytime you use a computing device, whether that's a computer, a phone, a tablet, anything that you are using technologically, and you are connecting to the internet and not using the information that's just on your device, you are on the cloud. Now often we download applications or apps for our phone or our computer and think that we are actually running things on our computer, but really most of the time these days the only thing that's actually on your device is the interface, the way that you can interact to get to the place you want to be on the cloud. So most of those things, only a very small bit is actually stored on your device. Think about if you went on Facebook on your phone. Not everybody's profile with all of their information and all of their walls and everything else, all that information is actually on your phone. All that's on your phone is the way to get there. Another way to think about it is if you are stranded on a desert island, how unfortunate for you, and you have no internet access, what on your phone or on your computer would actually work? If you think about it, probably not much, and that's how you know that you're mostly working in the cloud. Now for the literacy program, we work in the cloud all the time. Your Gmail email is on the cloud, and all of the Google suite of services from your Drive where you create docs to write an essay for your teachers, for instance, or when I show you how to do a slideshow, all of those things are stored on the cloud, and we access them via the internet. And so that's a basic of what the cloud is. So do you use the cloud? As I mentioned, you do all the time. If you're shopping for a pair of boots or golf clubs, if you are browsing what all your options are, those options aren't actually on your device. They are sitting on a computer stored somewhere, actually multiple places around the world. If you're on your favorite social media, if you're doing homework for this class, if you're in an all-night game of Fortnite, those are all times when you are actually using the cloud and not your device. So I'm going to show you a short video. Now, admittedly, this is a very cheesy video. It's also a very old video, and so kind of like the old books of Where's Waldo, see if you can spot the signs that this is an ancient video. In particular, watch for the cell phone.